Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Valentino Rossi, 5 issues, 17 to 21. Wow. There we go. Lots of parts. Got oil cooler, there's a box, there's an inlet duct. There we go. Not a great lot to do in that one, but there are some detailed pieces that we do attach. We don't necessarily do them all in order. That's the thing with the Valentino Rossi. I find that you just have to go off what parts are for each issue, because it doesn't actually tell you on the label anywhere. I think this one's supposed to be 17, but on the label it says 18. Always seems to be one ahead for some reason. But anyway, we've still got the magazine anyway. So without further ado, let's not keep the doctor waiting. Let's have a look at the magazines. Here we go. Issue 17. Victory number 46. He was quite prolific, was he not? There we go. Liquid cool radiator. So we start off doing that. We end up with that. And we carry on with that in issue 18. There's a good article. Why the Doctor? There we go. There we are. We carry on with the oil cooler there. Rear panel and front panel. That is what we end up with. And issue 19. We get the top of the airbox, but we don't actually do anything with that. Not in this issue, because we carry on putting the radiator together, as you can see. There we go, that is it complete. And then issue 20. Excellent photographics in the magazines. The airbox inlet duct. 2 cable guys, 2 duct mountains. But we carry on with what parts we got from 19, and then we add the parts from 20 onto it. Well, the detail anyway, at least. And then we have issue 21 left. There's a cracking picture. Good lighting. Main body of the airbox. And that is what we're left with. Excellent. So you can see that duct there goes on to the duct cover anyway. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. There we go. Those are the parts. So we got the radiator, rear and front panel, side plate, radiator cap, left hand pipe and right hand pipe. Excellent stuff. So basically what we need is this piece, and I believe that goes there like that, and we secure that with 2 screws. So we get the screws out. Okay, let's get this all screwed together. Put that there inside that recess there like that. There we go. Brilliant. That's them 2 screws in place. Now what do we need? We need this little piece, and yep, we need this piece. Now this will go here and here like so, and we just push this into place just like that. Excellent. And we need this piece back again, because that will now go in there again. As you can see, 2 more screws. Excellent. That is looking absolutely brilliant. Lovely detail. Now we've got this cap, and this basically goes on here. As you can see, there's a D shape there, so that will only go on one way, and hopefully we'll just push into place. Yeah, quite easily. Excellent. And all we got left is this. 1, 2, 3, 4 posts. Yeah, 4 connections. It should easily fit this. push fit. There we go. No screws needed for that. Excellent. That is stage 17 or issue 17 complete. See some detail here, some black banding. Makes it stand out a bit more. Lovely jubbly. On to 18. Put that to one side. Yeah, issue 18. There we go. Oil cooler, rear panel, front panel, left hand pipe, right hand pipe, brackets and hose connectors. And K-screws. Excellent stuff. Okay then, so first of all we need these two brackets. This is on there just like that. This is just a push fit connection, as you can see, and this one should do exactly the same. There we go. Press it into place. That needs to go. There we go. Excellent. Not too fiddly at all, that. I think that's closed up nicely. Brilliant. Now what we need is this bracket. This bracket goes in here. Let me see, it goes that way into there. Yep, just like that. Excellent. Press that down into place. Brilliant. Put in this, as you can see, 3 lugs. Line that up. Press that into place, and we have this left. It's got a little bit of, let me just clear that hole. There we go, cleared that hole, and now all we need is this in place, which goes just there like that. No glue needed. Excellent, just a push fit. Brilliant stuff. Looking fantastic. Got it in place? Yep. Yep. There's a bit of a lip around it anyway, but that's great. Fantastic. A nice more detail. Excellent stuff. So moving on to issue 19, we'll keep hold of these screws, these hex screws as well. I need an Allen key for that, because I think we put them 2 pieces together. So what we need now is, yep, parts from issue 19, which are these. But first of all, we need to put these 2 pieces together. Okay, now I've got my Allen key. We just need to put these 2 pieces together. Now, I believe it goes there. There's one pin there, location pin. That should go through there, like that. There we go. And we have 2 screws here, and another screw there. Excellent stuff. Getting myself in a bit of bother here. There's 4 screws altogether. That's the first one in. We got one more there, one there, and one here. There we go. Brilliant. Finally. They do look good though, I must admit. Look better than normal screws then. Excellent stuff. That is looking absolutely superb. So that is it. That is all we need to do in this issue. So we'll keep these parts for the next issue. Issue 20. Let's move on. So we also have in issue 20 the Airbox inlet duct 2 cable guys, 2 duct mountings. Now I do know we need the parts out of this, so we'll get these out anyway, and we need the parts from previous as well as. There we go. Those are the parts from issue 19, those are the parts from issue 20, so we don't need them just now. Okay, so first things first, we need these 2 dummy fasteners which go in here and here. Now I queried my Airbox because it looks slightly different than the picture that we received, which is nothing unusual. And Now these are D-shaped, it looks like to me, that. So it should only go in one way, this. There we go. That one's gone down, no problem. I think this other one is slightly misshapen. Yeah, this is misshapen. Let's just give me a sec. There we go, managed to get it in after all. It was slightly misshapen, but there we go. That's some cracking detail. Now we need these two pieces, and we have the large cable. Now the pegs should be slightly different in size. Well, I'm not sure if they are, to be honest, but that one goes there, and this one definitely has a bigger peg up for the top, and that one goes there. That one went in far too easy, whereas that one's clicked in nicely. That one is a loose fit, but that's the two clamps in place. I think I'll have to glue that top one, because you can see it is nicely in place. Next, what we need are the parts from this issue, and we need to fit them in these holes. Now, looking at these again, we've got that clamp can go in there, or can it? It is the right way around. Should go in there, and that one, yeah, should go in there. See, that one's gone in alright. It's always an awkward one, isn't there? There we go. Finally got it in. Had to take it out and make the hole that's a little bit bigger, but it's still very, very stiff. I don't know, these things are sent to try us. Now these two pieces, they are D-shaped, so these should go in quite easily. At least they're shaped correctly anyway. That one's going in nicely, and so as that one. So just leaves that one. That's going to need a little bit of glue. Well, there we go, that is issue 19. Excellent stuff. Everything is in place, as it should be. But looking at the picture, mine looks different here, so I had to query whether I got the right part. So that is issue 20 complete. We can move on to 21 and get the parts out. Okay, so we got the air box, the intake plate, two fasteners, these are the catches, we got G screws, and we got right and left locking catches. Okay, excellent stuff. Okay, so let's pop them to one side because we just need these two pieces for now. Now this one, this is one of the locking catches. We put that in there and we secure it from this side with a G screw, same as this one, but we don't fasten them tight because these are meant to swivel as they do at the moment. Yep, so you can actually do that with them. So I'll put the G screws in, but not too tight. Excellent, there we go. So they can now move quite freely. Excellent stuff. Looking brill. Now what we need are these two, left and right. So that was the right one, that was the left one, and this is the left one, so that must go in there. It's D-shaped, so it just presses into place just like that. Excellent. And this one exactly the same. Doesn't look like it's cleared that whole lot, but there we go. I think we've managed to get that in alright. There we go. Those two catches. So this piece goes here over them two pegs like so. There we go. holding that in place there. You can see them swivel catches move. Excellent. And this piece from earlier goes on the back, of course. There we go. There's 3 pegs, 1 2 3, 3 holes, 1 2 3. Excellent, like that, I believe. Yep. These look a little bit I think going in at the top, go at the bottom. Yep, that's closed up nicely. There we go. Excellent stuff. That's looking nice and bonny here, that. Now, that will go there. So we move them catches around. We don't actually fit this at this moment in time, but I thought, well, might as well have a play with it. That will, yeah, there's 2 pegs there and there. So that will go there like that. That will capture that one, and that will capture that one, just like that. But you can see we've got more detail here to add, and there as well as, so I won't push them pegs in, but that looks, yeah, that looks pretty good. Excellent stuff. So there we go, guys, that is issue 17 to 21 complete. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Nice bit of detail on there as well. These black bands and spots there on the radiator, and here we have all that detail and those 2 catches. That looks great. That will eventually fit in there like that, and then the catches will keep over that there. Excellent stuff, but we have got more details to add. Excellent stuff. Well, that is it, guys. Issues 17 to 21 complete. There we go, with the rest of the bike. So there we go, guys. That is the Valentino Rossi after issue 21. Looking superb. These look absolutely brilliant. The detail is incredible. I think we do more of the engine in the next 5 issues. Brilliant stuff. Well, there we go, guys. That is it. Issue 17 to 21 complete, and as you can see, everything's laid out here looking absolutely brilliant. So anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next 5 issues of the Valentino Rossi bike. Excellent stuff. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.